Fight.
On and popping. It is on and popping. Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video. If today's your first time here, welcome. Please do not make it your last. In case you missed the last vlog, better go and catch up, okay? I got a video testimony. I'm so excited, you guys. I got a video from a lovely supporter and subscriber who tried out the step that I shared in the previous vlog on how to clean your wedding ring or your ring in general. So go watch that video, guys. Go check it out if you missed it, okay? So guys, that being said, let's get right into the video.
The next day. Two hours later.
So guys, we're on our way to the introduction. We're in a hurry, that's why I couldn't say anything earlier. I even forgot I was vlogging. So yeah, we are almost there. We just made a stop somewhere. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to vlog anything, but I just thought that I should pop in and say hello to my peoples. Okay, so please say hello back. Say hello right back in the comment section, okay?
2 hours later.
Hey guys, so today is Monday. It's currently 5:18 p.m. Today has been productive, you guys. So I'm currently in the process of filming. I just thought to check in on you guys because I'm still vlogging. So I thought to check in on you guys. Yeah, I'm about to go film my 500 subscribers celebratory video. It's also going to be a Q&A, like first Q&A video on my channel after 2 years. Yeah. What's new? So yeah, I just thought to check in on you guys. By the way, see this A. I just finished filming a tutorial of how I got these curls. It's on and popping. It is on and popping. Hi, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Today's Saturday. As you can tell, for those who know, those that know, I mean those that get it when I'm like this, you know that you know what time it is. You know what time it is when you see me like this. For those who don't get it, well, let's just tell you, Sha, when you see a girl like this, when you see me like this, just know that another protective hairstyle is on the way, you know. So yeah, currently trying to stretch out my hair for the new hairstyle that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be making some long kinky twists. I've made it before, maybe like over a year ago. Today I washed my hair. I loosened my hair yesterday night, that's Friday night. So this morning I got around to washing, deep conditioning, and now I've sectioned my hair. This is how I'm going to work with it. So I want to use a blow dryer to speed up the drying process and also help it stretch out a little bit more. Before I do that, I have a package, guys. So you guys, I've been struggling with my skin. It's been a journey, but I can't complain really. If you know where we started from, I think I started actually documenting my skin journey, but for over a year I think I've not even recorded anything. That's because I'm still experimenting, you guys. I go use some things and to work, and then after a while my skin is breaking out again. You guys, it is something else. And then decide to try out some other product, and I would find normally I'm not very consistent with, you know, skincare regimens or whatever, but I think I've been trying. But then sometimes I'll get some product, I'm okay, let me just try it. Then maybe it's around that time I will now break out again. I'll be like saying that this one won't spoil the progress where I don't make, or I'll just stop. So yeah, but Cheesy Duru shared this product some months back, and I was like, I'm going to get it. Then when I first went and checked it on Jumia, you guys, it was so expensive. I'm like, But then again, I started breaking out again during the week. I'm like, maybe I should just close my eye and buy this thing. So yeah, I finally went and bought it though. Even though I'm not buying I didn't buy all that she had recommended. I just bought one, and I'm going to maintain using the face wash that I already use, because it's also it's a mild face wash. I think I'll continue documenting the progress and what I'm currently using, and maybe fuse it together and do like a story time on it. So yeah, this is the product. I'm going to try it out. Let's update you guys on how we're doing. You guys, earlier this week it was worse than this. I had some huge bumps here, and here too. It's getting better. So this is it. it works for me. Let's just go. It works. So yeah, that's it. I just got it. I'm so excited. That's why I just got picked it up now from the dispatcher. I'm so excited to have it, and I pray it works, you guys. I'll start using it today. So now let me just go ahead. So I'm just going to be drawing my hair. Hey guys, so this is like several hours after the previous clip. You guys, the kind of vlogging that I've been vlogging from yesterday, it's just since 2 weeks now. It's God that will help me to be able to collate something or make something out of it, you guys. Like I'll start vlogging and I'll forget. And actually it's because I have been so busy making my hair, doing other things, and yeah, so I started making my hair last night, you guys. So I'm just going to get back to filming it, and I'll catch you guys maybe later.
One eternity later.
So guys, I've been done with making my hair for like almost an hour now. So I just went ahead straight to the kitchen. I came here to finish prepping my ingredients because I want to make fried rice. Yes, I decided that today, so this Sunday, I don't want to make white rice and stew. So fried rice it is. So I'm still in the process of prepping. I have here some onions and garlic that I'm going to grate now, some fresh carrots and green beans, spring onions, some leftover meat that I fried last night, and some frozen veggies, and just allowing it to defrost.